Hi, today I'm going to be showing you this Cusimax double hot plate. I ordered the black color and I'm really excited to try it out. Let's unload it from the box and see how well it cooks. I'm excited. Let's go.
This Cusimax 1800 watt double electric hot plate is very well packed. Everything is also very well labeled. The underside has non-slip feet. There is also a detailed instruction booklet. It is ETL listed with safety in mind. Any type of cookware could be used on the surface. There is a separate master on-off switch so you have control. There's an easily adjustable heat level knob for each burner. The surface of the unit is stainless steel and the burners are cast iron. The instruction manual has everything you'll need. It gives you the precautions about the product, how to use, care and cleaning, and troubleshooting. Time to make some pot stickers. Turn the master switch on, and we're going to turn on the left burner. Using some oil spray, pour in the pot stickers, and cover and go. We don't want dinner to burn, so flip is needed. Remember to watch the heat and adjust the temperature as necessary. Serving it up. Can't wait to eat this delicious meal. Add the soy sauce and dinner is served. When the light is on, you'll see the burner that's in use. Thanks for listening and watching my video.
If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.